Okay, this is a JAP to a GEC Dynamo, Astral Engineering, Enfield, Middlesex. Okay, so charging at 9 amps, it's 12 volt to 36 volt setup. As we come down here on the body of the dynamo itself, we've got some nice legible instructions there. 14 to 32 volts, amps 9. Ammeter's a bit dicky. Okay, let's spin it around. Right, so on the flip side of this, we have got inside the control box here, normally done by these two winglets here, we have got a fuse holder, a rheostat, that's my daughter. We've got an amp meter or a panel meter for amperes, cut out solenoid, wires coming from the dynamo going into this junction box here, coming back out. We've got two poles at the bottom of the box here for hooking up to. So first thing of note is the amp meter here connects directly to this pole here. So amp meter straight down to that terminal there. On the left, look as we look at the rear, this terminal here goes straight up to the fuse box or fuse holder, down from the fuse holder and over to the solenoid unit here. On the solenoid unit, the terminal that's closest to us comes down into the A pole of the junction box there, to the A windings of the dynamo. Also, from the nearest terminal on the solenoid here, we come out and we go round and we go down to the centre of this rheostat. There's a little terminal under here. From the front of the rheostat, we've got another connection that comes round and it goes to the F pole. Okay, so in there we've got an F. So F to the front of the Rio. The furthest terminal on the solenoid, which is right at the back there, comes out and goes to the left hand side of the ammeter. The live terminal comes up and around and goes to the middle terminal of the solenoid. So that's basically the electrical connections as they are. Okay, I'll let you know more as I tear into it.